Guys, I really was on the run when I had to do this style, and I tell you about it in this video. I'm doing this from my car, but this is day 4 hair, and I am going to show you how you can get from day 1 hair to day 4 hair, having a different style every single day. Hi, I'm super excited to show you guys day 1 hair. I usually just straighten it on day 1. I blow dried it right before this. I always miss spots on the back, so I always have to make sure I check the back. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to just my ends, and then also add some hairspray so that way I can get some volume. Super, super quick style. I always pretty much do this on day 1, and it looks good. I started with it down yesterday, just straight and down, and it ended up. It's like 115. 117 here, like it needed to go up, it was bad. So it is a little messed up, like dent-wise, but that doesn't matter because I'm curling it today. All right, one thing I forgot to mention is a mirror. All right, layer 2. And of course, gonna be using MONAT products, just probably just hairspray today. Okay, so here is my secret. I do not leave it looking like this. This is also gonna show you guys how like flexible our hairspray is, because are you ready for this? All right, I just do this. I mess it all up. So much better, so much more volume, lots more like going on. So today I'm going to show you, so day 1 was just straight hair, day 2 was curls, and like we're just building upon it. Like I wouldn't want to sit and like straighten this right now, you know, like there's just been already too much to it, so I'm just gonna keep curling it. And if the curls were already there, this would have been even better. And then I'm going to add a little braid up here. First, we are going to start with some dry shampoo. I am going to curl the same exact way I did yesterday, but I'm going to use a different curling iron because my hair is getting longer, so I think I need a thicker barrel. So I'm gonna try this out. I haven't used this since my hair was long. I'm gonna leave the curling iron on in case I need to go back to it. I'm just gonna take a little section, probably about this is what I will end up using. Take sections, and even though those are the smallest sections ever, if you cross them over like that, then it gets the braid starting close to the front, or else it starts way further back. So then we've got a little braid, quick, cute little braid. So, and then you could give it a little, like a little poof too. There we go, here's day 3, and I will show you guys day 4, how this evolves into day 4 tomorrow. Hey guys, how are you doing? It's actually kind of funny that today I am doing the style that I'm going to be doing because I'm in a super huge rush. And so this is gonna be a quick style. I was hoping to use the curls. Each day I was hoping to use the curls, but they're not staying. I think my hair is just getting longer and I have to curl it a little bit different because of the weight of it. I am just going to like fix this braid really quick. I'm not gonna get too fancy. It's day 4 hair. If you need a little bit more dry shampoo at this point, you can totally add some. See, there we go. I'm gonna take some like really big pieces. You guys know I always do sections. I figure let's go a little bit of the extra mile and get a little bit of a curl back in there. I've been using the same hair ties literally for the last 10 years. It could be messy, it could be whatever. You could do whatever you want with it. There we go. A little bit of a curl, we're good to go. And we're done. That's day 1 through day 4. Can't believe we got this far. I'm gonna do a couple more of these. I'll share them as I go with you guys. If you have any ideas of things I can recreate or share with people, let me know.